Hello everyone, let's dive into the OREI KVM 4K HDMI extender Balun. This device allows you to extend your HDMI signal over a single CAT6 or CAT7 Ethernet cable, reaching up to 130 feet at 4K 30 Hz. If you're running 1080p at 60 Hz, you can push that distance even further, up to 230 feet with CAT6. One of the key selling points is its KVM functionality. It features two USB 1.1 ports, enabling you to remotely control your PC with a keyboard and mouse. This is particularly useful for situations where your computer is located in a different room or a less accessible location. The OREI extender supports HDMI 1.4 and HDSP 1.4, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices and content. It handles 4K at 30 Hz, as well as 1080p at various refresh rates, including 24, 25, 30, 50, and 60 Hz. It supports standard HDMI audio formats like PCM, LPCM, DTS HD, and DTS audio. Installation is straightforward with its plug-and-play design. The compact size of both the sender and receiver units makes them easy to integrate into your existing setup. The receiver also includes a 3.5mm stereo audio output, allowing you to connect analog speakers or headphones for local audio playback. In the box, you'll find the instruction manual, the HDMI sender and receiver units, and two power adapters. OREI also provides lifetime tech support and a 1-year manufacturing support, offering peace of mind with your purchase.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.